Wearing a pink shirt, pink skirt, and gold sandals.
Her mother, Devontae Ethan, is 3 years old, black male, 3 feet tall and 30 pounds, wearing a gray shirt, blue shorts, and black and white shoes. They were abducted this morning by their father, Devontae Finley, 23 years old, black male, 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 130 pounds, wearing a gray t-shirt, light blue jeans, and blue and black tennis shoes. The abduction occurred at 15 South County Street in Waukegan, Illinois at 9:20 a.m. Finley was last seen driving a 2006 dark blue Chevrolet Malibu with temporary Wisconsin license plates K7561C. Finley is considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on this incident, please contact 911.
Oh my God.
At 1 p.m. at 0